Not everyone is into searching pocket change, and I get that. But I think everyone can appreciate that you can pull cash right out of your pocket money if you just know what to look for. And that's the little happy accidents, the error coins. In this video, I'm going to break down a few different ones you can look for on those 1952 Lincoln cents that can make them worth a couple $100 even. We're talking about Overmintmark and Repunched Mintmark errors on 1952 wheat cents. These are some of my favorite errors to look for on any coins, but on a lot of different wheat cents, you can find both of these errors. In specific, 1952 Denver cents. First, let's talk color and condition before we get to some certified auction sales so you can see what they're really worth. Grading companies label copper coins RD, RB, or BN for color designations. This is for red, red-brown, or brown respectively. A coin that retains its original bright orange-red mint glow commands really the biggest premium usually. With these specific errors that we're going to talk about, the mechanical variety itself is what drives the base value. That's what's really great about these errors. They don't need to be like your normal really red lustrous coins to sell for good money. To spot these errors, you are going to need a 10 times loop or a microscope of some sort. First, you'll need to understand what an overmintmark error is. Look closely at the D mint mark. You are looking for portions of an underlying S peeking out from the inner loops or trailing off the edges of the main letter. For the Repunched Mintmark, or RPM, look for a clear secondary impression of the letter D. It might look like a shadow sort of, a distinct extra line on the straight bar, or split serifs on the corners where the punch hit the steel die twice at slightly different angles. If you see a clear, crisp double layer, you've probably found a winner. So let's look at some actual auction results to see what these errors are bringing in on the market. Let's look at what happens when you combine an awesome mint error with top-tier preservation. This is a 1952 D over S Overmintmark error, cataloged as the famous Cherry Picker's Guide FS511 variety, graded MS65 plus red by PCGS. This sold for a fantastic price of $154 right at the end of 2023. It's a little bit older sale, but it's a gorgeous example that kept its original fire orange mint color. So I wanted to start off with this coin and then get to the newest sales. This will show you what that red color designation looks like. The PCGS population report shows only about 17 coins sitting at the 65 level, with a tiny handful of just about 3 graded finer. That half-point plus grade means the eye appeal is really exceptional. Now, you can't bank on yours getting this plus designation when you send it off to grade, but you are looking for this clean of a coin for these errors out of 1952. To spot the FS511, look for the upper loop of the hidden S rising up through the top curve of the D, and the bottom tail of the S sticking out from the lower left corner. If your coin is bright red and completely free of major scratches, then you might want to consider getting it graded. At minimum, put it into an encapsulation or a 2x2 flip for preservation. Let's take a look at this perfect example of how an error holds its value, even if it isn't perfectly bright red though. This is a 1952 D over D Repunched Mintmark error listed by NGC as variety VP002. It's also referenced as RPM011 by Konica. It graded as an MS63 red-brown and sold through Great Collections for $84.38 in May of 2026. Now notice the grade. It's actually quite low comparatively to normal coin sales you see at MS63 red-brown, which means the coin really began to have that natural darkening with its age and a bit of oxidation. It also has a few minor contact marks. Now, on a regular 1952 Lincoln cent, this grade would be worth really far less than the grading fees alone. Because this has a verified clockwise repunched mint mark, though, a collector happily shelled out close to $100 for it. Now, the real collector's note is that this is, of course, an incredible error for beginner collectors to target because it proves that you can make a return, even if it is a small $15 or $20 profit, from red-brown coins. You just have to look for a distinct secondary D shifted clockwise from the primary punch. It's really a massive reminder to check every single Lincoln cent out of 52 from Denver for this error. Now let's look at a beautiful, high-grade repunchment mark that shows how affordable alternative asset investing can be and how right now it's a buyer's market for the annex-graded coins. This is a 1952 D over D Repunched Mintmark Lincoln cent, variety RPM 15, graded a beautiful MS66 red by Annex. It sold for $75 in January of 2026. Now take a look at this coin. It's super clean, it's bright red, and it's really perfectly preserved with minimal contact, bag marks, or any sort of chatter on it. Annex is a highly respected grading service that often offers a more budget-friendly price point for collectors looking to buy certified heirs without paying the massive premiums of a PCGS registry coin right now. You can see Annex-graded coins selling for quite a bit less, 15 to 20% less, than the NGC, PCGS, and really other grading company counterparts. If you happen to have an uncirculated 1952 D Lincoln cent with blazing luster and a clear double mint mark, you might want to consider one of the services like Annex if you're looking to grade. It's a little cheaper, but don't bank on a huge value back if you're looking for a quick flip. This would be just for preservation. On the buying end, you can pick up these Annex slab coins for a really good price right now, so you can have yourself a really great heir out of 1952 for a super affordable rate. Let's wrap things up with another look at the heavy-hitting D over S Overmintmark to see how a green sticker will change the game and give us one of the most valuable coins for this video. This is another 1952 D over S Overmintmark FS511, graded MS64 red by PCGS. This one features a green CAC sticker. It sold through Great Collections for $147 in July of 2025. Even though this coin is technically one grade point lower than the first one we looked at, it brought in nearly an identical price tag. This is because the green CAC sticker means independent experts reviewed the coin and confirmed it possesses premium quality and fantastic eye appeal for an MS64. Really, it's quality over quantity that wins every time. When you're looking through your coins and you want to sell them, really prioritize clean surfaces with zero carbon spots. You can sell 1952 D over S errors ungraded for really good money. $20, $30, and upwards of $50 sometimes. It really just depends on how clean the coin is. Hunting for 1952 D errors is really one of the most profitable ways to spend your afternoon checking through your collection. Let me know what you think about 1952 Lincoln cent errors. Let me know if there's other repunch mint marks, overmint marks, or double dies, any error of any sort that you're hunting for or currently have in your collection. Drop images of your collection to the community tab on YouTube or into the comments across social media. I'll see you guys in the next video, but until next time, happy treasure hunting.